another working example on finding Laplace transform of given signals. Let us see this question. Find the Laplace transform and the region of convergence of following signals. Here I have given A, B, C, D 4 questions. Let us see how to find out the Laplace transform and the region of convergence for this problems. Let us see one by one. First let us say, first what is x of t? In the question A, x of t is given as x of t is equal to e power minus 5t into u of t minus 1. U of t minus 1. So first let us write the definition of bilateral Laplace transform. Laplace transform of x of t. What is the bilateral Laplace transform? Integral minus infinity to infinity. Just to substitute x of t given function. What is the transformation? E power minus st into dt. So what is given x of t? Integral minus infinity to infinity. What is x of t? E power minus 5t into u of t minus 1 into e power minus st into dt. So as you know that u of t minus 1 is a function which starts unit step signal which starts at t is equal to 1 onwards. So with an amplitude of 1. So this is u of t minus 1 versus t. So therefore you have to change the limits from 1 to infinity because unit step function is existing from 1 to infinity. So therefore e power minus 5t in this region u of t minus 1 amplitude is 1 e power minus st into dt. So now you can check that integral 1 to infinity which we can written as s plus 5 take as common into dt. You can easily say that what is the region of convergence for this problem. So because here infinity is there, so therefore s plus 5 must be greater than 0. So then only this integral will converge. So therefore what is the region of convergence? Region of convergence for this problem is real of s plus 5 must be greater than 0. If it is less than 0, it will become infinity. So therefore e power infinity will become infinity. So therefore this integral will never converge. So therefore for this integral to converge, s plus 5 must be greater than 0. So therefore what is the region of convergence? Real of s greater than minus 5. So now let us make the calculations of this integral. So which can be written as minus 1 by s plus 5 e power of minus s plus 5 into t. Substitute the limits 1 to infinity. So therefore if you substitute minus 1 by s plus 5, if you substitute in place of t infinity, the upper limit is 0. If you substitute the lower limit in place of t 1, minus of s plus 5. So therefore minus into minus will become plus. So this can be written as e power of minus of s plus 5 by s plus 5. So what is the region of convergence? The region of convergence is real of s greater than minus 5. So this is the answer for this first simple question, just substituting in the definition of bilateral Laplace transform. So let us see the next example, number 2. So what is given? X of t is equal to e power t into sine 2t, which is given in the region t less than or equal to 0. So first let us write the bilateral Laplace transform of x of t. The bilateral Laplace of x of t is integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into, what is the transformation? E power minus st into dt. So what is given? X of t exists in the region minus infinity to 0 only because it is given t less than or equal to 0. Substitute x of t e power t into sine 2t into e power minus st into dt. So you can further simplify it, integral minus infinity to 0. So this can be written as e power of minus s minus 1 into t into sine 2t into dt. So you can clearly see that this term you can, because it is minus infinity, so minus infinity. So therefore what is the region of convergence? The region of convergence is real of s minus 1 must be less than 0. If it is less than 0, it will become positive. So therefore, if you substitute minus infinity, this integral will converge. So therefore, we can straightly say that real of s minus 1 must be less than 0 for this integral to converge. So therefore, you can say that, so you can further simplify this integral minus infinity to 0 e power of minus s minus 1 into t. So this is written as e power j 2t minus e power minus j 2t by 2j sin 2t can be written like this into dt. So therefore, separate this term 1 by 2j integral minus infinity to 0. The first term is written as e power of minus s minus 1 minus 2j into t into dt. The second term is written as integral minus infinity to 0 e power of minus s minus 1 plus 2j into t into dt. So I can further simplify this 1 by 2j. The first term integration is written as 1 by s minus 1 minus 2j into e power of minus s minus 1 minus 2j into t. The limits are minus infinity to 0 for this term. So plus 1 by s minus 1 plus 2j into e power of minus s minus 1 plus 2j into t. Substitute the limits minus infinity to 0. So I can clearly say, notice that 1 by 2j, if you substitute the upper limit in place of t 0, e power 0 is 1. So therefore first term is written as 1 by s minus 1 minus 2j. Since we have assumed s minus 1 is less than 0, it will become positive. If you substitute minus infinity, e power minus infinity is 0. So therefore it will make lower term 0 plus 1 by s minus 1 plus 2j. If you substitute the upper limit, e power 0 is 1. If you substitute the lower limit, this term will be 0. This term is 0. So therefore, we can further simplify it as, so therefore, the Laplace transform of given signal x of t is written as 1 by 2j, let us write the terms again, minus 1 by s minus 1 minus 2j plus 1 by s minus 1 plus 2j. You can simplify this 1 by 2j minus s plus 1 minus 2j plus s minus 1 minus 2j by s minus 1 whole square plus 4. You can see that cancel out minus s and plus s, plus 1 and minus 1, minus 4j by 2j, it will come out as minus 2 by s minus 1 whole square plus 4. So this is the Laplace transform given x of t. So what is the region of convergence? The region of convergence is real of s minus 1 less than 0 or real of s less than 1, or you can straightly say that s is equal to 1. So because t is less than or equal to 0 is given, so therefore the region of convergence is towards left side. So therefore real of s less than 1, you can write like this. So let us see the next example C. Let us see the next example C. So what is C is given? X of t. So this is a straightforward question. So e power 2t into u of minus t plus e power 3t into u of minus t. So for this one we use the very important formula, e power minus at into u of minus t. Minus e power minus at into u of minus t is, what is the Laplace transform? 1 by s plus a, because of time reversal step. So that what is the region of convergence? Real of s less than minus a. So that is towards left side. Use this formula for the above equation for the given function. So therefore we can write it as taking Laplace transform of this equation. So therefore x of s is written as minus, remember that, minus 1 by s minus 2. So what is the region of convergence for this? Real of s less than s is equal to 2, that is real of s less than 2. For the second term, minus 1 by s minus 3. So what is the region of convergence? Real of s less than 3. So what is the common ROC for this? The common ROC is for this is, so in the S plane, represent in S plane. So this is the S plane. So this axis is sigma, this axis is j omega. So 0, look at s is equal to 2 and s is equal to 3. What is the first region of convergence? The first region of convergence is real of s less than 2. So that means you can straightly say that this is the region real of s less than 2. Real of s less than 2. So what is the next region of convergence? Real of s less than 3. So real of s less than 3 can be written, drawn like this. So therefore, what is the intersection region? So the intersection region starts from s is equal to 2 towards left side. So therefore, we have to clearly mention the final ROC for this problem is real of s less than 2. So in this way you can solve this problem. Very, very important model in the examination. So let us see the D question. The D question is given x of t is equal to t into e power minus 2 into mod t. Let us substitute in the definition of Laplace transform, bilateral Laplace transform. The Laplace transform of x of t. What is the definition of bilateral Laplace transform? Integral minus infinity to infinity x of t into e power minus st into dt. Just to substitute what is the given function, integral minus infinity to infinity x of t is t into e power minus 2 into mod t into e power minus st dt. So let us split the limits, integral minus infinity to 0 t. So the first term in this region, mod t is minus t, this can be written as 2t into e power minus st into dt. So again the next term is integral 0 to infinity t into, in this region mod t is plus t, so therefore e power minus 2t into e power minus st into dt. So you can simplify this as the Laplace transform of given function x of t can be written as integral minus infinity to 0 t into e power of minus s minus 2 into t into dt plus integral 0 to infinity t into e power of minus s plus 2 into t into dt. Therefore, you can clearly notice that, so we have done several problems, so you can straightly say that because of the limit here minus infinity, what is the region of convergence? Real of s minus 2 must be less than 0. So then only this integral will converge, or we can write it as real of s less than 2. For this integral to converge, real of s plus 2 must be greater than 0, or real of s must be greater than minus 2. So therefore, what is the final ROC? The final ROC is, so which is in between minus 2 to 2. So this is the very, very important point you have to observe. Now you can easily simplify this. So let us make the UV rule. So therefore take this function as u, this function as v. So therefore you can straightly say that first function into integration of second function is e power of minus s minus 2 by minus s minus 2, minus write it outside, take to the numerator. So this is the first function into integration of second function. Integration of differentiation of t is 1, integration of e power minus s minus 2 is e power minus s minus 2 by minus of s minus 2. If you again integrate, the denominator will become s minus 2 whole square. Substitute the limits for this as minus infinity to 0. Similarly, for this term, again apply UV rule. The first function into integration of e power of minus s plus 2 into t by minus of s plus 2. The second term is minus differentiation of t is 1, integration of e power minus s plus 2 into t by minus of s plus 2. If I again integrate, so minus denominator minus sign gets cancels out. Substitute the limits 0 to infinity. So you can straightly find the answer. If you substitute the upper limit, the first term is 0, the second term is minus 1 by s minus 2 whole square. Because we have assumed s minus 2 is less than 0, if you substitute the lower limit, these two terms are 0. Similarly, we have assumed s plus 2 is greater than 0, so therefore if you substitute the upper limit, these two terms are 0, minus if you substitute the lower limit, in place of t 0, the first term is 0, minus if you substitute t is equal to 0, e power 0 is 1, minus of s plus 2 whole square. You can see that the answer for this problem is minus of 1 by s minus 2 whole square plus 1 by s plus 2 whole square. In this way, you can solve this problem. So these are the some of the working examples on finding Laplace transform of given signals. Thank you.